Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Motorola Razr 70. Okay, it's really easy. We have actually two methods how we can restart our device, and of course I'll show you both methods. First, and the recommended method, is a reboot through the power menu. To perform it, we need to launch the power menu first, and we need to click the power key and volume up at the same time, just like that. Now down below we have the restart button. If you tap on that, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again, and our device will be ready to use. Also, I will tell that rebooting your device from time to time, for example once a week, is perfectly okay, and it's, for example, even recommended, because basically during the reboot our device rests for a moment. Also the RAM gets freed up, so it can help with the performance of our device. So that is why it's good to do it. And let's go to the second method right now. Second method is the forced restart, and it's recommended, for example, when our device is lagged, frozen, basically when it's unresponsive and we cannot do anything. To perform it, we also need to use the power key and volume up, but this time we gotta keep holding both keys, both buttons, until the screen turns off. So keep holding. It may take up to 10 seconds. Okay, keep holding, and when you see the logo, you can release both buttons, and then simply wait until your phone turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.